This is the time to gift your mom that beautiful jewelry she's been eyeing, you know. That being said, Sayabling sent me another package. Now I have like 2 of this. I don't even know which one is the one they just sent to me, because yeah, I've kind of unboxed it, but I'm just going to show you guys. Let me see, this is the new one. This is the new one. Remember the last one they sent to me, which is this one. It wasn't my exact size, because I silly me, I gave them a wrong size unknowingly. Because US size 8 is actually still it doesn't fit perfectly, so I just felt like, okay, maybe US size 7 might be better. But now I'm realizing that my actual wedding ring is probably US size 7, because that's why I don't wear my actual wedding ring, because it's super tight on my finger, and after I had my baby, in fact, it became more tight, so because I've gained weight and all of that. Anyways, Sayabling sent me another ring set, and I can't wait to show you guys. Shine as you are. So we have a jewelry care card. To be very honest, I feel like I don't do enough for my jewelries. Avoid wearing your jewelry while doing activities that involve water, such as swimming, showering, or washing dishes. Okay, keep it free from lotion, sunscreen, and perfume. So I need to work on this one. Use a polishing cloth to restore the shine of your jewelry. So if you want your jewelry to last long, make sure to take note of this 4 things. But yeah, you can find them on their website, Facebook, Instagram. I'm going to be leaving their details in the description box. Now let's go ahead to show you the jewelry. I went for a very unique design. That's it. US size 8. This is so cute. The difference, this one was size 7 and this one is size 8, US size 8. So you just need to make sure that you know your ring size, because when you don't know your ring size and you just guess, it might come and it might not be your size, and then you have to start going through the hassle of returning it back. This one enters my finger, but it's really tight, which is like, yeah, you don't want to experience that. So make sure that you try to get your right size before you before you place your order. You make sure that you have your right size checked and everything. Anyways, this was the last one they sent to me. This one, I just wish this was my exact size. This is such a beautiful ring. I still wear it, but like what I do is I just wear it on my different fingers. I don't wear it on the ring finger. But yeah, this is so gorgeous. They have amazing rings. Let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. So I wear it here. I just wear it in a bunch of places. I wear this one here, and sometimes I wear this one as well here. And then this one can actually enter here as well, but it's just super tight. Look at that. This ring is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. I love it. I also love this one. This one is so classy. This is really perfect, like for an engagement ring. It's so classy and it's super affordable. I love their sterling silver. It's just amazing. Guys, this is a halo oval cut bridal set with a vintage leaf and vine art decor. I just love, when I saw it, I fell in love because it's like super unique. I just love vintage, they're so classy, gorgeous. I'm in love, I'm obsessed, and I don't really know what to do about it. I'm in love, I'm obsessed. But yeah guys, okay, now it's time for me to go. I don't know, I think I'm going to launch it today. But yeah, it's time for me to go get ready for work. I'll talk to you guys when I'm ready to go to work. Okay? You guys, I'm so hungry. I'll probably have to get something on my way to work because our girl is starving. I can't believe I don't have food in this house. Like, I have no fuel, no energy. But it's cool. It's cool. Man shall not live by bread alone. Anyways, guys, go check it out. I'm going to leave all the details to this ring in my description box. Do not forget, Sayabling, shine as you are.